Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video, we'll discuss very important point, important update about the OES login. In login credential, we know that we have to put our email ID and the password. So who are having both, they are able to access OES, and some of the founding members and ecosystem users, they have forgot the password. Now the forgot password, that button is operative and it is effectively working. You will get step-by-step process in this video, so that will be useful for many of the founding members or ecosystem users, so they can reset the new password. We'll discuss step-by-step process. So first thing, in your let's say browser search, you go to ONPASSIVE or ONPASSIVE ecosystem. In ONPASSIVE ecosystem, if you click, that ecosystem login page will open. Okay, login page. What is there? That your login ID and password. Okay. So the people who have forgot the password, there is a password button is there. Okay, if you click that button, forgot password, one new page will open. There you have to give the alternate email ID. What email you have given for registration in ecosystem, and put that. Okay, and submit it. Once you submit, one message will come. Email sent to your registered email ID with reset link. Okay, password reset link. So you open your whatever you have given as a alternate email ID, either Gmail or Reddmail or Yahoo, whatever you have given. Okay, all are working. Okay. So you open that your alternate email, and you will get the message. Okay, open that message, you will find the link, click the link. Once you click the link, you will find a message that it's okay. Now you can reset your password, create a new password. Okay. So create your password. Please create a strong password. Either you can remember that, or you can note it down for future reference, so that in case of you forget, you can refer and get back. Okay, this is the suggestion. Okay, so it is up to you. If you are able to remember, fine. Otherwise, you can note it down. Okay. So once you put that, create that password, submit it, then you'll get a message. Your password was successfully done. Now you can log in through your new password. So now if you open that login page, no, and put your email ID and the new password what you reset, so you are able to access the OES. So my dear friend, follow the process. It is working nicely. I have checked up. Many of my friends have checked up. It is working satisfactorily. Hope this video is useful. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thank you.